everyone, my name is Tejasri. I am studying 9th class in Sadhana High School. Today I want to tell about artificial intelligence. First we have to learn what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or a robot controlled by a computer. Artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Specific application of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. What can AI do? AI is the ability of a system to display human-like capabilities such as listening, learning, planning, and creativity. AI makes every process better, faster, and accurate. What are the three types of artificial intelligence? Number 1. ANI means Artificial Narrow Intelligence. Number 2. AGI means Artificial General Intelligence. Number 3. ASI means Artificial Super Intelligence. Or Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning is same? No. Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning is not same, but the method to train a computer. And last, some facts of artificial intelligence. Number 1. AI can repair itself. Number 2. AI is already there in movies. Number 3. Robots can repair itself. Number 4. AI will become smarter than human. Number 5. AI will recognize by people with voice. And last, I will ask some questions. Please try to answer them. Do you know who invented the AI? Please answer in comment box. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Skillpundit Official.